Introducing the future of luxury dishwashers. High-powered cleaning at an ultra-low volume. Every cycle is barely louder than a whisper. There's no cove in the world this quiet. In fact, it's the quietest luxury dishwasher in the industry. But don't mistake silence for weakness. The serene exterior conceals a storm within. Go ahead. Take a look. 3-stage filtration, 2 independent cleaning zones, high-pressure wash arms. The trifecta clean is simply brilliant. And then there's the dry. Some dishwashers don't finish the job, but Precision Dry Plus option gives the ultimate dry finish. There's nowhere for filth to hide, with immersive theater lighting that illuminates every corner within. And daring obsidian racks glide effortlessly across the 52 ball bearings in every rail. See for yourself. We won't bite. Wherever you are, you're in control with remote access and mobile notifications. And on-demand service is just a click away. The trifecta dishwasher can even replenish its own detergent automatically. Beauty, brains, brilliant cleaning. This is the trifecta dishwasher by JennAir. Bound by nothing.